My friends, family, subscribers, everybody, I come to you bearing news today. And that news is a fortnight ago, I was having libations with some friends. We were sitting around discussing the Boot Guy project when a friend mentioned to me that he would really like to see me read some of the derogatory comments that I get on my channel. So I thought about it. Okay, here we are. I'm going to read some of the bad comments, all right? And sorry to be so serious and shit. All right, so there's only 2 videos out there that have derogatory comments, if they're fucking derogatory at all. I mean, I'm a grown man. You can say a lot of shit to me. You're really not going to hurt my feelings. Yeah, actually, you can say anything to me. You're really not going to hurt my feelings. My feelings are, yeah, okay, whatever, right? Okay, so boot restoration videos are the only 2 videos. I mean, there's a few other ones out there where there's one smattering here or there, but these 2 videos have got the most derogatory comments, personally derogatory, and kind of ridiculous. But it's the internet. This is what the internet's all about. This is what fucking makes the internet great when you sit down and think about it, is bullshit like this, because it just makes it so much fun. So I'm going to start on the restoration with the Thorogood 814-4200. And I promise you that, like in this video, I will not look at any other camera in this room except for this one right here. I will look right into this camera. Okay, so starting out, 814-4200. My very first comment on there from a week ago. It says, STFU. I had to look up what STFU meant. It means shut the fuck up. Okay, you want me to shut the fuck up? Subscribe to the channel. I'll listen to you then. If you're not going to subscribe, I'm not going to listen. Next one, right below it, Robert. I can't believe I watched the entire video. What does restoration mean to you? I was expecting to see you restitch them, resole them, do things like that, not just clean and condition them. I hope you take a beat up old rusted out car on its last legs to a restoration shop and they give it back to you washed and waxed job. Okay, so I fucked up on reading this comment. Okay, but still, dude, does it say bootmaker? No, it says boot guy. Have you watched any of the 370 some odd other videos? Have I ever cut anything apart and rebuilt a boot? Don't you think if I could do that, that would be a major part of the channel? Jason said really kind of a letdown in the end. I don't know what you were expecting, Jason, at the end, but whatever it is, please reply and let me know what you were expecting to see at the end. Maybe I can facilitate that. Jose says, less talk. Well, motherfucker, it's my channel. It's what I do. I fucking talk. That's why it works, because I can talk. They look like shit before you made them look like horse shit. LOL. Good job lubing them up, though. More talk about me shaking the product. Oh, don't shake the product. Hold it real still. I don't know. Maybe the fact that I said go to my website and I'll have full photos, high detailed photos. It's what I do of the product. Maybe that should have helped you out there. Ian said, opinion time. Hey, like Ian, opinion time. Like I can just imagine this guy straightening his fucking tie. Opinion time. Adam Jones. No, Adam, you are a master of words. When the Mark Twain Award comes up, I'm going to nominate you for your little limerick here. Roses are red, violets are blue. This video sucks. Thumbs down to you. Oh, Adam, right here, man. Oh, right in the heart, dude. You got me, big guy. You got me right there. Mike said, I thought this was restoration. You polished a turd. It would be really funny if I polished a turd. Can you polish a turd? Won't it just break down because it's such loose and yeah, roll through? Okay, Kevin G. Hipsters unite. I love the hipster comments. I get a lot of people that give me that hipster stuff. North Jersey said, so painful to watch. He's a man, and he's telling me that he had to watch something, and it hurt. It was painful. I'm a 12-year-old girl. I mean, that's what it sounds like to me. I love to turn his head cap 180 degrees. Boo, thumbs down, LOL. That was Arnie Barb. Here, I like this one. This is one of my favorite. I get this one a lot too. You talking too much, bro. Besides, you just tried to clean that pair off, let alone restore. Emoji, emoji, waste of time, 3 periods. He used 3 periods for everything, as if to emphasize. And something I gotta say, I gotta be perfectly honest with everybody here, is that I text all day long. I use Hangouts, I use Arlo, I use messaging services, and I'm texting back and forth. You guys are texting me all the time too, asking me questions about boots and whatnot. So I've got this whole texting thing going on. Now, if you've ever texted me and you feel like I've ignored your text, just go back and read your text. If there was an emoji in there, I'm not answering it. I'm a grown man. Hopefully you're a grown man. Emojis are for 12-year-old girls. My 10-year-old, 11-year-old nieces and nephews, they use emojis. They emoji me. Guess what? I don't answer them either. You know why? Because emojis are for girls and I'm not using them. Not saying that it's not a great way to communicate for the kids. We're grown men. We don't communicate like that. We use words, periods, punctuation, capital letters, stuff like that. We don't use emojis. Guys, don't use emojis. The extreme. My left ear loved it. Yes, I understand that one because it was not properly mixed. Hipster starter kit, DAFUQ. I was expecting restoration, not reconditioning. I guess I will never get the lost time back. Sad face. He ended it with a sad face. Probably something we shouldn't do either, is sad faces. This guy's beard is scruffy as fuck, Mark said. Well, Mark, I can grow a fucking beard. It's gonna get scruffy. Some days I just don't want to shave. Oh my God, they're perfect before! Exclamation point, emoji! Did someone actually listen to his wife? Question mark, explanation point, Mark. Whew. Wow, look at that. You used an emoji. Matt said, WTF, okay, what the fuck are you looking at in the roof? What the fuck are you looking at symbol in the roof? Question mark. Haza Elma says, let's talk. Want me to mime how to clean up a pair of boots? Should I put on white face and kind of do the whole mime thing? Would that be better? Angelo. Daming Simbasa bi Kaboyo Young Ping Sanyambo Mo Sai Sari Daiko no Enjoy. No, that was in English. I wasn't speaking some other language. That's actually how it reads. Lucas, damn hipsters. Drew M says, you know you just explained common sense for a half hour, right? You know you just explained common sense for a half an hour, right? Question mark. I never replied. I should really reply to him and say, yes, I know. Well, I just explained. Dirty, hipster work boots. 4 periods after that one. He's really making his point with those periods. He didn't capitalize hipster though. Now, outside of all these I'm reading, there's some good comments and you guys left some really funny ones that make a lot of sense, you know. Frank, garbage. Those boots are barely worn. I will show you worn boot. Sorry, I got to go back and read this one. Garbage. 4 periods. Those boots are barely worn. 3 periods. I will show you worn boots, homeboy. 4 periods. The crap of crap tube. 3 periods. Jesus. 4 periods. Kevin said they still look like trash. Yeah, Kevin, you know what? I agree. The stitches were falling apart. They still look like trash. Oh. Ralph. He wasn't impressed at all. Shucks. Golly. Why do you shake banks when you show them? This is from Vadi. Vadi wrote this. Why do you shake banks when you show them? Do your hands shake or do you want to show these banks are written? I don't know. Nope, I got another damn hipster. And that's really it. Okay. For this video, for the 40200, that's pretty much it. That's all. Now, let me scroll back up. That video's got 157,000 views, and what did I read off? I mean, what, 15 derogatory comments? I mean, they're not even derogatory. They're just guys being guys. Outside of people using emojis and stuff like that, they're just guys being guys. Not a big deal. All right, so this is for the Red Wing 606 that I cleaned up with the Armstrong's All Natural Shoe Kit. Okay, so there's not as many bad ones here, but there's some funny ones. Like, that guy writes, this guy voted for Hillary. This is from Camaro Carl. It looked like you just put goop all over the dirt. Why not scrub first with settle soap, wipe off, really clean that dirt off the boots, then mink oil or leather condition, and a bit of polish. Nice close-ups on your face. How about close-ups of the boot next time? Question mark. Oh, and then Ruslan Batko said, go back to the world of Warcraft. What is the world of Warcraft? Oh, the game. Yeah, okay. I hear where you're coming from. I see you. You're associating. I see. More boots, less face. Shaquille says, this guy talks a lot. CT said, sponsored much. V Zenith said, nice package. I think he meant the Armstrong package. I don't think there's no crotch shots in this video. That's it, guys. Like I said, so there's not a lot of derogatory comments, and in fact, there's almost none. And I guess because I'm not trying to be as explosive as some of the other guys out there, and I'm not trying to tell you that this is how it is. And it seems to be that's the only time people really take a personal approach to things about being derogatory, is when you're telling them this is how it is. And that's just not me. Going to talk about the boots, going to talk about the gear, going to talk about it from a different perspective than what you're going to normally get out there, you know? But hey, thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed this. You can just follow along, and if I misread something or whatnot, please just comment below and tell me where I fucked up. If I read one of your comments and you're unhappy about it, please comment with some emojis for me. I really need more emojis in my life. I mean, fucking, I'm a grown man. I need some more emojis, please. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon with another boot review.